One of the biggest things is that the evolution of the technologies that are available to us is rapidly changing, and it's getting more democratized day by day. A lot of these technologies are being created faster than they ever have before and are coming to market and becoming accessible faster than they ever have before. So whereas people used to say that technology won't be around in my lifetime, I would challenge that and say no, they actually will be, and some of them already are. And it's exciting times. And I'm really blessed to be able to get the benefit of a lot of these technologies, even for myself and my loved ones. And I've seen it in place.